Mars has been in the news due to its close approach to Earth, making it a good time to discuss the red planet. The possibility of life on Mars has intrigued scientists for over 150 years, starting with Giovanni Schiaparelli's 1877 map showing canals, although serious astronomers were skeptical. The idea of an Earth like Mars with potential plant life persisted until NASA's Mariner missions in the 1960s. This mission revealed a barren moon like Mars with a thin CO2 atmosphere and dust storms, but also fascinating features like giant volcanoes, canyons, and evidence of ancient water. The Viking mission in 1976 conducted 3 biological experiments to detect life but found inconclusive results, likely due to non-biological chemical processes. Despite this, scientists continue to search for signs of past life, especially given the evidence that Mars once had more water. A significant discovery came from a meteorite called ALH 84001, found in Antarctica in 1984. Contains polyclinic aromatic hydrocarbons, carbonate globules, and tiny ovoid structures, all of which suggest past microbial life on Mars. Research on Martian life is ongoing, with future missions like NASA's Phoenix expected to provide more insights. No theater in Japan is a stylized, symbolic drama based on song and dance. Formalized around 600 years ago, its archaic language is understood by few. No plays typically feature one main character, a secondary character, and a chorus, with the main actor wearing a distinctive mask. The essence of No is captured by Yugen, meaning profound, elusive beauty. No is performed on a square platform with painted pine tree in the background and includes a ramp symbolizing the transition between the real and spiritual worlds. Large earthenware jars under the stage and an acoustic. No origin traced back to the 8th century with Songaku, a troupe performing acrobatics and other entertainments from China, and Dengaku, a solemn Japanese art from harvest rituals. In the 14th century, Kan-ami and Ze-ami merged this form into Nogaku, creating the refined theatrical art of No. Supported by shoguns like Ashikaga Yoshimitsu, Oda Nobunaga, and Tokugawa Ieyasu, No was standardized and flourished. Today, about 200 No play exists, divided into Genzai No realistic and Mugen No fantasy. Genzai No depict real characters in dramatic situations, while Mugen No features supernatural characters from classical literature, such as in the popular play Lady Aoi from the Tale of Genji. No integrates dance, song, poetry, and percussion, with performances characterized by structured chants and flexible pacing. Despite its complexity, No is a unique and rewarding art form worth appreciating. There are two basic kinds of visual perspective, aerial and linear. Aerial perspective refers to the atmospheric effects on distant objects, making them appear hazier and less distinct. This effect is often used by realistic and impressionist artists, such as in Turner's Lido building cartoons. Linear perspective is the way objects appear smaller as they recede into the distance, converging at a point on the horizon, known as the vanishing point. This can be seen in how railroad tracks or telephone poles seem to converge in the distance. Objects can have multiple vanishing points depending on their orientation to the viewer. For example, a cube facing squarely toward us has one vanishing point, while a cube viewed from an angle has two, and one viewed from above or below has three. Early Western art did not understand these principles, often depicting nearer figures larger or lower in the picture without accurately representing that. The Renaissance brought significant changes, notably through Filippo Brunelleschi, a 15th century Florentine architect who discovered the rules of perspective. He demonstrated this by creating an accurate drawing of San Giovanni Baptistery in Florence, using a peephole and a mirror to compare his drawing with reality. Brunelleschi methods were adopted by other artists such as Donatello. An accurate linear perspective spread throughout Europe. Effective aerial perspective was later developed by Flemish and Dutch masters as seen in Jan van Eyck, The Virgins of Castlereagh. This development marked a significant advancement in the accurate representation of three-dimensional space in art.